Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So I'm starting here with the Linux. It is there. So I type some commands here. So I don't want it. So then I can put a clear also. These commands, what are the commands I showed? You can run in a root and you can run in a student also. Anything you can do it. So this is student. This is root. I want to do it in a student. So we'll see. For example, I know a command. Okay, I know a command. For example, date command. It display the date. It displaying date, time, year, month, everything. Okay. So today is April 5th, Monday, week. So 16:30 means time and year. So 2021 IST. Okay, time zone. Now I want to know options in that one. So in a bash command, learn about bash command. So any bash command is a command. Any bash command is like in this form. Okay, any bash command is like this. First is a command. Next one is option and argument. Okay, sometimes only command, like I put a date. It's the only command I given. So what it is, it will give you that output based on that one. If you not mention any argument, sometimes you have to give argument. Sometimes you have to give option and argument. So depends upon that. Okay, it command will work. But what options I have to give? What argument I have to give? So we have to learn how to do it. Okay. So how to do it? So date hyphen help. First of all, I want to know options. What can options I can able to do it? So hyphen help space hyphen help. You know the command, but you don't know more options like that. Now it is showing some information because I'm gonna put it so I can scroll up and down. See it is. I given a command here, and it is showing date option, and we have to tell the format all kind of stuff. And also it is showing some mandatory arguments. Then it is showing format, what kind of formats we can use it here. Okay, like a small a, capital A, like that. Percentage capital A means full Sunday. Small a means only sun. Small b means Jan. Capital B means January. Capital C means date and time like this. Okay. Capital C means like a century. Okay. Percentage D means day of month. Percentage capital D means in this format, month, date, year format. Day of month, like full date, year, month, like that full date. Hours, capital H means 24 hours format. Small capital I means format. Okay, like this I will get some information. Next, clear. I clear the screen. Then mandate. So man means manual. Man means manual. So if you buy any product, you will get manual, right? So like that, what are the commands you have it? So we will type man means it will give you a manual like this. In the manual, you can see like what is the command. You got a command, but you want to know what is the command. Print or a set the system date and time. Okay, and also you can see different options and usage. We can able to see from here. You can up and even down, even time zones. We can able to set it. Okay, how to set and all will give you options here like this. See, to show the time zone or time you want to change it, also you can make it. Okay, also it will give you some information also. How to come out from this one? You can't come out, like you reached 100%, you can't come out. So how to come out? Press Q to come out from it. I pressing Q. Now I came out from Q for quit from that one. Q. Next, info. info or pinfo. Anything you can use it. I'm using info here. Pinfo or pinfo, anything same. You want to learn Linux. You want to learn Linux. Like you don't know what command for a particular purpose. Just info. You'll give it will give you more options here. See, archiving, CPIO, tar commands are there for basic commands. Finding G file, zip compression. You see like this. These are the different commands. It's showing here. These are all commands only. For example, I want to learn about cat command. Okay, what is a cat command? Concatenate and write files. This is a cat command. I want to know. So then I will go to this command. My cursor is at my one. Enter. Now it is showing a cat command and the options also. How to use the command and what are the cat command. All these things. Examples. Using examples also it will show. Okay. I'm pressing Q to come out from it. Like, or you can type info a cat command. Or you can use only info cat. Directly that information it will show here. Pressing Q. So these are the help commands. What are the help commands I use? Date with the hyphen help, mandate, info, info cat, info date, info date. This is info date like that. Or p info date. You can use it. How to come out from it? So you have to press the Q button. History. History is a command to see what commands you type so far from the beginning. Okay. Also we can modify the history like store only last 10 commands, store only last 100 commands, store only last 5 commands, or you can leave it, just type a history. So what will happen? See, it is I type so many commands from so far like who am I, who exit, who pwd, like clear, like that we type it. What I'm going to do is I'm copying all these things, putting into my file. This part I try to show tell you what to use options and all, how to use a help command. Help commands, these are all help commands. Okay, from here it is started. Actually I start typing commands. So look at this one. This is what we are discussing and what we are discussed part. Okay. Okay, next, if you want to repeat any of the command, so also history command is there, right? Now I'm going to history command. So history will display the last commands with their history. So when I type this command, when means first command, second time, third time, what commands we do it. For example, I want to repeat a command here. Any of the command I want to repeat it. I want to repeat this command, fifth one, like this. We can able to repeat it. Can you able to see? So this is the fifth command is a pwd. I want to repeat it. Put a exclamatory mark, shift 1 and then 5. What is the history number? That is a history number. So that is history number. I repeated fifth command. Okay. Uh, I want to repeat this command. So exclamatory mark 8. Now I repeat the that command. Okay. For example, I type some command here. Cal. Okay. I will put a echo. mm, Hello class. Now hello class is displaying. So this is the echo command. I want to repeat the last command, just last command only. Put a double exclamatory mark. So you don't need any history number here. Simple, put a double exclamatory. Now I repeated same command here. Okay, shift 1 1, shift 1 1. So the double exclamatory will get it. So this is about your history. So you can use history like that. So what I done? Put exclamatory mark 5. Also I put a exclamatory mark 8. And last command, like I type some command is echo hello class. Then I type this command. So obviously, like okay, understand history. Next, um, I think you got point like a echo. In a echo, you can type anything. Welcome to Savatis. So like this, we can display the message on the screen. Okay, so that is a echo command. Clear command will clear the screen. Okay, clear the command is for clearing the screen. Next, we already discussed who am I. Will tell you who is which user you log in, actual login. Okay, so not current user. It will show you which user you log in. That is who are login means all users who are logged to this PC, who are logged to this PC. That is who command. Okay, PWD present working directory. My current location of the data what if I create some data here, the data will be stored in this directory only. Okay, so this is current working directory. There is a lot of directories in the Linux system. Based on which user login, and based on that there is a home directory is there showing. Currently it is showing home directory. For example, I change my directory. I changed my directory. Now CTC, it is showing a that directory only. Okay, for example, I change my directory to slash home. Can I change it? Yes, I changed it. So pwd. Okay, so like that, which directory you went inside, that is it will show current working directory. This is all very important one, pwd, because when you do, I put a cd tilt mark or cd is enough, just a cd. You go to your actual home directory, your main home directory, you went there. Okay, so this is pwd, present working directory. Okay, where we started. Just highlight it and you can paste it. Okay, I'm removing the I guys, dollar means it's already there. Don't type dollar before the command, it is already there. Just to know that I type the command, that's it. This is the command, this is the output, I got it. Just for understanding only I given. I change the directory and it's verified. Guys, how to learn Linux, I given lot of links and all. That is second part. Okay, so the like where you get information to learn the Linux thing. But my point is here, how to learn Linux. Okay, in the Linux, don't put a command blindly. Okay, just like I said this command. Okay, I put it up pwd, it's okay. Now I went to some directory, or maybe I type some command. Is the command is executed, what kind of output you got it. So you have to check it once. Verification is important. I created a file is created or not. Check with ls, like whether file is created or not, directory is created or not, file is copied or not. file is moved or not, file is deleted or not, user is created or not. Verification is important. Verification is very important here. Clear? That is PWD. Date. Date command shows date, but I will put a different formats of the date also. Put a single quote. Okay, then we'll close the quote also. Here, put a plus percentage d hyphen percentage m hyphen percentage y. See, it is showing only date. Your today's date, month, year. Year in a 21 only. If in case, if I put a capital Y, what happened? You got a full year. You will get a full year. If I put a small b, April, APR. If I put a capital B, April. Got it? Hmm. I want a week also. Percent A, Monday, apply Monday, like that. So week also you can display, and also you can add a text. Today is like this. Okay, you can insert a data also inside, like some text inside also you can display. I want to see hours, hours, capital hours, capital M, capital S in this format. But you should give percentages. Option is in a percentage. So in line X, so how it is look one, that is only it work. So this is the current time. Okay, this is the current time. Okay, now the time is like this. It is invalid. Why it is invalid? Because the plus must be in a starting, not in a middle. When you give format is giving like plus is should be in a starting. In the single quotes plus, then what are you give? You have to give that one. So see, so when you got some output, don't think you got some you got an output and leave it. You will go to next. Don't do it. So check it whether you are getting desired output. What is the mistake in it? Find out and rectify and try it. If you try at least 2-3 times, then you can understand what is the mistake, and next time you don't do mistakes, and you will learn the mistakes also. Okay. So this is about your date command. Normally date will give you all this information, but you can modify the format of output date. Of course you can change the date and time and everything, but this is okay. Like you can find options, you can try on yourself. If you try you will understand more. If you look at the screen only, then you will get a sleep on. So try the date. Even I done a mistake here. I keep the mistake also here. Guys, I'm telling again, no need to type dollar or hash, whatever it is. This is the actual command, not dollar. Just to know this is the command, I keep the dollar like that only. Okay, next. Next one is cal. Clear the screen. Next one is cal. Cal, display the calendar. Like I want to get display of this year calendar 2021. So this is entire year calendar because of this. Okay, this is entirely this year calendar. Or you want to go with calendar of April means 4, right? April means 4. Next month calendar, which is May calendar. For example, this month, next year calendar. This month, next year calendar. Okay, so like today is the 5th, right? So next year it is, today is a Monday, 5th. But next year is a Tuesday. Okay, like that. Okay, so you can specify the month, you can specify the year. Okay, so for example, you want to see last year calendar 2020. Okay, last year by this time in April, what you are doing? So 5th is a Sunday. So what are you doing? Okay, so you can see last year calendar also. Okay, not only one year, 2 years. Like you can go with a lot of things. 1999. This is a 1999 calendar. Okay, so where it is? Here it is. This one. Okay, 99 calendar. 1999 same Monday came. Monday, April 5th. See, like that we can able to do it. Yeah, because this is a very big outputs. So I go with the history, and I will copy only commands. You can do with your own format. No need to do blindly. You can do follow your own format style here. So calendar, what are the month? You can specify month 1 to 12. Year, in the full year you have to give. That's it. Okay. Now I'm going to verify what commands. Who am I also completed. EXPR and BC is there. So first we'll see one of the thing. Okay. First I have to type EXPR working on that. So 10 plus 20. So like that. Space is important here. EXPR 10 minus 20 minus 10. EXPR 10 by 20 0 because decimal value should be there. So instead of that one I put 100 by 20 5, 110 by 20 also 5 because decimal value is not coming. Okay, so then you have to use some scaling and so currently it is okay. Double, so syntax error. Percentage is 10. So what is the difference between division and a percentage? So we'll see guys here. um, so 110, this is 20, right? 25 are 100 and remainder is 10. So I'm not dividing this one. So actually it is, you should get a 0.5, but I'm getting 5, right? So this is the 5 is a division answer without extra decimal, just 5. What is the remainder? Is a 10. This is percentage. The percentage is remainder. 5 is your after division without actually it should show full division part. how to do multiplication is little bit tricky. Percentage 2, which is this why I don't like this one. Always I forget which slash it is. This slash it is for a multiplication. For multiplication. Okay. So slash star. So you can try all these XPR things. You can change the numbers as per your requirement. This is not there. This is won't work. Okay, check it. And also you can go to the options and find out how to get the also like man expr. So you can find out what are the other options you can available. So here is a pipe, end option, greater, small. Also will get it. Greater than, small than, minus, plus, like this. Here is string. Also it is showing. Expr 10 is greater than 20. You have to give some command for that one again. So true and false, that part you have to give, but it's okay. Leave it. Okay. So yeah, expr. Okay. Next one is a BC. BC is a basic calculator. When I type BC, it shows like this. So it is working. Really good. Yeah. So it's a basic calculator. So it's a single terminal. 10 plus 20, 30. Okay. So 10 by 20. So 0. Why it is showing 0 for this one? 20 by 10, 2. 20 by 10. Okay. 20 by 4. 5 it is showing. See, decimal value not showing. I put a scale. Scale is equal to 2. So again 20 by 4. 5.00. 20 by 6. 3.33. 20 by 7. Now it is showing some value properly. Okay. It's keep on going like that. Okay. So how to come out from this screen? Control D or a Control C or Control D. I put a Control D, clear, and typing again BC. Okay, so again I'm typing one by one. 10 plus 30, 40 it is showing. Okay, 20 minus um, 35 minus 25. Okay, so 45 divided by 4 is showing 11, but not the decimal value. So I put a scale is equal to 2, 1, 2, anything you can use it. So 45 by 4, 7.23 I got this output. Okay. Next 20 into 4, 80. um, Anything like you can use it like division completed, right? Now 15, right? Okay, 16 percentage 3.01 it is showing something. That last part it is showing maybe. So 16 by 3 first you have to go. Yeah, 0.001 that's the column. 17 by 4, 4.25. 17 percentage by 4. The zero reminder like it is showing in this cases. Next, what is the scaling? It is we are getting a scaling, right? The scaling means the decimal number, two decimal numbers it is showing. If I change the scale to 1, what will happen? Same thing, 17 by 4. Instead of 4.25 it is showing 4.2 only. If I put a scale equal to 0, means no decimal value. Only it will show the first value only. No decimal value it is won't show here. So you can put a scale how much you want it based on your requirement. 3 you can put it, 4 you can put it, you can your wish. Like if you put a 4, same I'm doing. See, extra zeros will add it. How to come out? Control D, Control D. So I came out from it. Okay, so this is how to do with the BC. I didn't copy what I done. Okay, so you can type BC. In that one, you can type one by one like 10 plus 20, your wish, or 30 minus 66. Okay, for output, I leaving a space. Okay, 45 by 4. Okay, scale equal to 2. So you can try 44 by 4 again, like that. Okay, 22 into 3, 33 into 5, 5. Your wish to do anything, plus, minus, and all. So this is a basic calculator. But EXPR will use in a shell programming, BC only for calculation purpose only. It apply the board mass rule also. You can use the board mass rule for a BC also. Okay, BC 10 plus in bracket 23 into 2 like this. You see 56, 46 in plus, okay, like board mass rule will apply. That is also I will include here. And like you can use your own way, no conditions here, right? If you got error, that's we can see. So how to come out from it? So CTRL control plus D. Next, how to read a file? So we'll see that one. So I stop here at this one. So what are we discuss? Help commands, date, man, info, help, hyphen hyphen help we seen, and also we seen echo command, who am I, and pwd, date command, and then cal, expr, bc. That's it.